Hello gang, Lindsay here, and welcome to my kitchen on a rainy Monday. We are taking it slow today, making things as easy as possible. I have dinner in the crock pot. The kids are having a snack, having some screen time, and I just did a grocery delivery order that is on its way. So making life easy, it's simple, it's sweet. But before those groceries get here, before we do our grocery haul, I need to clean out this fridge. She's pretty chaotic right now. So we need to clean some stuff out, do some rearranging, wipe it down, inside and outside. So come along with me for a grocery clean out and, so come along with me for a fridge clean out and grocery haul. So currently what I'm doing, I'm just going through, taking everything out. Everything I'm keeping is going on the left. Everything I'm tossing is going on the right. We have some really incredible desserts left over from family get together. This is Mom's peanut butter pudding. I haven't even tried it yet. You need cheesecake? Oh, my sourdough starter. I need to show her some love this week. here it is. Finally is here. Our teeny tiny grocery haul from Target delivery. And I do want to say I'm so thankful for delivery services. Wonderful. However, they are very convenient until they're not convenient. So I placed this order at 4 p.m. on Monday, and it was supposed to be here within like 2 hours. And then it kept getting pushed back, and then it said it wouldn't be here between 8 and 9 today, and it got here well after 10. Some of the ingredients actually needed for the dinner that I made last night, but didn't get it, so we just rolled with it. And then they also got a couple of the things wrong. These are not the tomatoes that I ordered, but we can roll with them. And then these are not the cucumbers that I ordered. We don't like those cucumbers in this house. We prefer the English hothouse cucumbers. And they didn't have eggs. So we'll have to end up going to the store again, which defeats the purpose of grocery delivery, in my opinion. All that to say, we made it. We've got these things, and so I'll go over it with you. We always need milk in this house. I probably need to buy a cow at this point because we all drink milk. The whole milk is mostly for the kids, and then Taylor and I like the Sphere Life skim milk. We got chicken sausage because Lily girl likes her chicken, her sausage, and her eggs in the morning. Sausage, the cauliflower rice was supposed to go for our dinner last night, but we'll use it again somewhere else for something else. All the berries in the universe because they go through it so quickly. Just got these goodles. How do you say it? Goodles? They're just a healthier option of macaroni and cheese, which Luke is a big fan of. And it's just easy. Because for meals this week, we have a lot of leftover chicken from last week, and then some like chicken packs from Costco that you can just throw together, make a sandwich, make chicken, make a salad, whatever. So we're going to use all that. So we got cucumbers because the kids really like cucumbers, but not those. So we're going to get the other ones. Broccoli, I really like getting them already washed and trimmed. It's so much easier. And then you can eat it raw or just toss it in the oven to roast, which is what we'll do. Oranges, these are the Cara oranges. They're my favorite. We've actually already eaten through a couple of these. Lemons, because Luke has been asking for a lemonade. And so let's just make it. I have stuff here to make some pico, tomatoes, jalapenos, limes, onion, and then I have cilantro. And then we're going to do fajitas one night. So we'll have that pico, and then I'll roast some peppers and onions. We'll have the cheese and the pico, and that will be eaten all together. And then pretzels, because Lily is obsessed with them right now and has already eaten half the bag. So on Monday, I planned it was a crock pot recipe, and it was chicken pot pie soup. Turned out really good, very high in protein too. I can share the recipe with you in the description. And then tonight we will do fajitas. Wednesday nights we like to do leftovers. And then Thursday I think I'm just gonna do a roasted chicken and veggies, and maybe some macaroni and cheese or rice or something like that. Do that for Thursday. And then Fridays, pizza night. So yeah, that's the plan for this week. Here's our teeny tiny grocery haul, and I'm gonna get it all prepped and put up in the clean refrigerator that I still need to wipe down. Will I use the Target delivery service again? That is a question I do not know the answer to. I had a lot more better experiences with Walmart delivery. Next week we will do a Walmart delivery, but it is one way that makes things a little bit easier, even though we may have to run to the store for a couple of other things. It just makes it a little bit easier not having to take the kids and get all the shopping done. So it's a convenience that we do like to pay for. It is a convenience that we do think is important, and we're thankful for it. So, oh, I didn't say, got some brown sugar because we'll be baking something this week. And that's all. That's all for now. We have our drinks, milks here. And here we have our meats and cheeses. This we have easy to reach kind of things. Cheesecake, easy reach. Hard-boiled eggs, garlic for cooking, grapes, carrots, and hummus. And then this is for, this is like meal prep and everything. The chicken from Costco. This, I don't know where this came from. Pizza cookie. And then some roasted potatoes that can be cooked for a dinner. We have our leftover soup. Yogurt we like to eat quite often. Chicken, the broccoli for one of the dinners. I have a pre-made salad back there that I made. Some leftover hot dogs. Pancakes for the kids for breakfast. And all of our vegetables. And fruit. And then over here, Lily's favorite place. The drinks and the sauces and eggs. Thank you so much for joining me this week for my fridge clean out and teeny tiny grocery haul. But I hope that you have a great week, and we'll see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with all of our BFF Gang adventures. See you soon.